Did you know Victor has been making quality cleaning machines in Great Britain for over 75 years? Whether cleaning a school, a hospital, a care home or an office, getting the quality finish means using the right tools for the job. And when you're using these tools every day, you'll want to be using the most cost-effective tools which have been engineered to the highest quality. We pride ourselves in making some of the best commercial cleaning tools on the market for both private and public sector. So, what do you need? Do you need quality rotary floor polishers, scrubber dryers or burnishers, wet and dry vacuum cleaners, HEPA Tub Vacuums, or disinfecting fogging machines? We offer short lead times and next day delivery on request. And for those working in the public sector, including local authorities, schools, the NHS and registered charities, buying your commercial cleaning equipment couldn't be easier with our 30-day credit accounts, leasing options and maintenance packages. If you need distributor or reseller pricing, call our expert team on 0121 706 5771 or email sales@victorfloorcare.com.